Udipati Chief Minister ka jela meklia ubak Preston tensong ulayatu baka Jingmaramot ya ka surok jong ka jingking sonapur kabapan yaso hapreng ka sorkar jong ka jela asambat meklia lade ban pentreya ka bat hapo ki sauposan singi an pendepno yaka habayatu ishpang ka jingjurip jong ka National Highway of Authority of India NHIDCL ban maramot no ulong baka kam kalaya chakmat bat ki jingtrei mentah kilaya terter bat ulong ru baka jingkeli bantai ya ka jingking thamai mentah na kalyang ka sorkar kadang pejnya ban penya yaki kam.
Immediate repairing has to take place and now they already started. And number two, restriction of movement of commercial vehicle has already been in place, and the district administration is full swing for that. And the National Highway Chief Engineer, National Highway, Government of India, they are on the job for the repairing of this road. Maximum, I think, maybe not more than 45 days. That is the assurance given by them. The CE of National Highway project, we call him a project director. So he assured us that maximum will be about 45 days. Repairing work will take place. No.
For that area?
No. The question of new construction does not arise. It's only a repairing work. Well, you see, this is an old history because that bridge, that particular bridge was constructed by BRO. Then BRO handed over to National Highway. So, more or less, it is maybe like that Duart-Sui bridge. But of course, the damage is not that much. That's why they have, the expert came all the way from Delhi, team of people from National Highway and from the Ministry of Road Transport. And then the conclusion is immediate repairing has to be done. And maximum will be about maybe 45 days, they'll be able to complete it. And then restoration of movement will take place. No, regarding what? Not healthy one means what?
All of it looks damaged. And we all know that it's
wearing out year by year.
Yeah, you're looking from the externally. So see, externally when you look at it, it looks very old. But I'm telling you, the expert has already done the exercise of plus, minus, and all the detailed structures, whatever done. So that's why now the restriction of weight is already in place. Those who goes and comes via this bridge at Barapani. For that, right now, it is still not there. Because as I said to you, there are a lot of formalities to be done. In fact, I've already asked my team of engineers to work out if there is any other option where we can, bypass the existing main dam bridge. Right now, they are on the job. But at the same time, our focus is for this western bypass. If western bypass is constructed, I think quite a number of commercial vehicles will not ply via the main dam bridge. We are already in the stage of land acquisition, and then we have already asked both the district collectors, East Kasil as well as Riboy district, to start the proceeding of land acquisition. Very soon they are going to issue the work order from the ministry, and once that's done, then they will start the work. And again, this one will not take much, maybe hardly maximum 1 year. They'll be able to complete for the construction of the bridge.
So the government is going for a new bridge on that?
It's yes, you can say new bridge, but what they do is over there itself, in the same alignment, in the same bridge, they are reconstructing the entire stretch of that particular bridge.